Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a close look at the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Hand Vacuum, model CMCVH001B, a compact yet powerful tool that promises to help you tackle messes of all sizes. Whether you're cleaning up after a weekend project, picking up debris in your car, or handling everyday spills, this vacuum is designed to give you a convenient, portable solution for cleaning. Let's break it down and see how it stands up to real-world use. The CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Hand Vacuum packs a punch with a 45 CFM suction power, offering you an efficient cleaning experience for both large and small debris. That means it can easily handle everything from fine dust to bigger pieces of debris without struggling to maintain suction. It uses a two-stage filtration system that keeps the suction consistent even as the dust bowl fills up, a key feature that's helpful for maintaining performance during extended cleanups. The larger dust bowl also means less frequent emptying, so you won't have to stop midway through cleaning just to dump out debris. With 50% more suction power than some of its competitors, this vacuum promises to be a more powerful option in the realm of handheld vacuums. But what does that really mean in terms of cleaning performance? In real-world terms, this vacuum should provide efficient performance on a variety of surfaces, whether it's picking up crumbs from your kitchen counter or handling a quick cleanup on your car's upholstery. The crevice tool is a thoughtful addition, especially when dealing with tight spaces like between couch cushions or along baseboards. Its onboard storage ensures that the tool is always within reach, so you won't have to search around for it when you need it. This is particularly handy for cleaning narrow areas that are often difficult to reach with standard vacuum heads. One of the standout features is the large dust bowl. Compared to many handheld vacuums with small bins, the CRAFTSMAN V20 requires less frequent emptying. This is particularly useful when cleaning larger areas or doing multiple tasks without interruptions. And while the vacuum itself is designed for efficient performance, remember that the battery and charger are sold separately, which is something to keep in mind if you're looking to get the full setup right away. In terms of handling, the vacuum is light and easy to maneuver, making it suitable for quick grab-and-go cleanups. It's not going to weigh you down like some heavier upright vacuums, and it's compact enough to store away without taking up too much space. Plus, its cordless design means you're free from worrying about finding an outlet while you clean, adding to its convenience. Now let's get into the real-world testing. I started by using it for typical indoor cleaning. The 45 CFM suction did a great job picking up crumbs, dust, and pet hair on my hardwood floors and low-pile rugs. It didn't feel like it was straining, even when tackling a mess of mixed debris. For pet owners, this vacuum will certainly handle pet hair, but for very long fur or heavily embedded hair, it might need a more thorough follow-up cleaning. On higher pile rugs, you may need to make multiple passes, but that's expected with handhelds of this size and power. Using the crevice tool was incredibly helpful in reaching narrow spaces, especially in the car. It's small enough to navigate the tight areas between seats and around the gear shift, where many larger vacuums can't go. It also performed well on my car's upholstery, picking up dirt and crumbs that other vacuums often leave behind. The large dust bowl kept me from needing to stop too often to empty it, which was a big plus when I was tackling the entire interior. The vacuum's noise level is pretty average for a handheld model. It's not the quietest I've tested, but it's not deafening either. It's right in the middle, so it won't disrupt the whole house during a quick cleanup, but it's also not whisper quiet. As for battery life, since the battery and charger are sold separately, you'll want to invest in a compatible one to get the most out of this vacuum. When it's fully charged, you can expect decent runtime, but keep in mind that longer cleaning tasks may require recharging, especially if you're using the vacuum on high power mode for extended periods. Let's talk pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Hand Vacuum offers solid suction power, great maneuverability, and a large dust bowl that means fewer trips to the trash. It's a versatile, lightweight option for quick cleanups, especially in tight spots, and the included crevice tool makes it a good choice for car interiors and other hard-to-reach areas. It's also backed by a trusted brand in the DIY and tools market, so it has a reputation for reliability. On the flip side, the biggest downside is the fact that the battery and charger are sold separately. If you don't already own a compatible V20 battery, you'll need to purchase one, which adds to the upfront cost. Additionally, while it has great suction for a handheld, it's still not going to be as powerful as a full-size vacuum, especially when tackling heavy carpets or very large messes. And while the noise level is manageable, it's still noticeable, which might be a concern for those who prefer quieter vacuums. When it comes to value for money, the CRAFTSMAN V20 holds its own in the handheld vacuum market. Given its performance, suction power, and versatility, it offers solid value for those who need a cordless, lightweight vacuum for everyday messes or quick cleanups. But considering the separate cost of the battery and charger, you'll need to factor that in when comparing it to other handheld vacuums. If you're willing to make the investment, it's a reliable option. However, if you're on a budget, you might find similar performing models from other brands, but with everything included in the box. In comparison to other handheld vacuums in this price range, such as the Black Decker Dust Buster or the Dyson DC44, the CRAFTSMAN V20 stacks up well in terms of suction power and convenience, particularly for larger debris. However, the Black Decker models might offer a more compact design or come with a battery included, while the Dyson might have better performance on carpets and long hair, but at a higher price. The build quality is solid for a handheld vacuum. The materials feel durable, and the design is straightforward, with no unnecessary frills. The dust bowl is easy to empty, and the filter system is simple to maintain. It doesn't feel flimsy or prone to breaking, and I'd expect it to hold up well with regular use. Cleaning the brush roll and filters is easy, and it doesn't require a ton of upkeep. As for customer support, CRAFTSMAN has a strong reputation in the tool industry, so you can expect solid after-sales service and warranty support if needed. They've got a reliable system in place, and their customer service team is generally responsive. To wrap up, the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Hand Vacuum is a solid option for those looking for a convenient, powerful handheld vacuum. It excels at quick cleanups, works well in tight spaces, and has good suction power for a variety of debris types. However, it's not a replacement for a full-sized vacuum, and the lack of a battery and charger in the box might be a deal breaker for some. If you're in the market for a cordless vacuum that can handle daily messes and clean your car, this one is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the comments box for the link to the product, and feel free to share your experiences if you already own this vacuum. Until next time, stay clean and keep things spotless, because with Reviews Inside TV, we've got your cleaning needs covered.